ADA, we start with 1 hour chart. First of all, if we refer to our analysis when the price was here, we mentioned how we can look for trade, and we mentioned we can expect this one turn to a deeper correction. Anyway, we get this, the price move up, but there was no trade setup to look for buy. And as we can see, we get a sharp move down, and this is what we see on the Bitcoin. Since the Bitcoin drop, most of the coins they follow it. And still we can look for the reversal. And if we move to forward daily chart, we want to see how we can look for trade. And as we can see, based on daily chart, still we are within this correction. We don't have anything and much information to discuss. And if we move to forward chart, right now we can look for this big correction. And as you can see, the price drop and now it's reversing. We want to see how we can look for trade. Okay. And we don't have any trade setup based on forward chart. Even there is a continuation, we cannot take the trade unless we trade based on lower time frame. And if we move to 1 hour chart, we can put this one in relative to this. As we can see, we have a divergence. All right, but how we can look for trade, whether this is the start of the up move or not. First of all, if there is a continuation with the trade setup, for me, I'm not going to look for trade, but it depends on the traders. The best things is we get the trade setup. At least we get the flag or correction here. If we get, we can look for next trade. And what we're looking for, we're looking for the sharp move and continuation. We want to see the breakout of 1.75. But as what we can see here, the after even we had this experience, the price drop reversed, we get there one more drop. That's why we want to see the correction here before we look for the trade. That's mean if we get one more drop, any reversal, it can give us better confirmation for continuation. That's mean right now we cannot jump in even for what we have here based on 1 hour chart. The 15-minute chart, it doesn't give us any trade setup. Anyway, we have to wait for the trade setup. The best thing is we wait, we get the correction, or we get the, we get the correction. If the price drop, then from there we look for reversal, or if we get any correction with flag here. As I mentioned, even if there is a continuation, we are not going to take the trade. We are looking for the reversal, but we need to get the trade set up. In this case, we just follow the chart, and if I see any update, I will share. Thanks.